Did you know that you can boost your own collagen production for healthier skin, joints, and overall health? Today we want to teach how to do it so you can start applying this knowledge in your daily life and look years younger. Hello dear friends and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today we're getting into the fascinating world of collagen, the secret to youthful skin, strong joints, and a healthy body. In this video, you'll learn what collagen is, how it's produced, its importance to our health, the key micronutrients involved, and how to boost collagen production naturally. We'll also discuss the benefits of bone broth, collagen supplementation, the types of supplements available, and potential side effects. So come on and join us as we get started. What is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, making up about 30% of its total protein content. It is a major structural protein found in connective tissues such as skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones. Collagen provides strength, elasticity, and firmness, playing a crucial role in maintaining the structure and integrity of our tissues. The primary components of collagen are amino acids, specifically glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids form a triple helix structure that gives collagen its unique strength and durability. There are several types of collagen, but the most common are type 1, 2, and 3. Type 1, found in skin, tendons, and bones providing tensile strength. Type 2, present in cartilage, offering resistance to pressure. Type 3, located in skin and blood vessels contributing to tissue elasticity. How is collagen produced in the body? Collagen production in the body involves a series of complex biochemical processes. It starts in the fibroblasts, the specialized cells found in connective tissue. Here's an easy breakdown. 1. Amino acid synthesis. The body uses amino acids, mainly glycine, proline, and lysine, derived from dietary proteins to build collagen molecules. 2. Hydroxylation. Specific enzymes add hydroxyl groups to proline and lysine, converting them into hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine. This step requires vitamin C. 3. Triple helix formation. 3 collagen chains intertwine to form a stable triple helix structure. 4. Secretion and assembly. The triple helix collagen molecules are secreted outside the cell, where they assemble into fibrils and then into larger fibers, forming the extracellular matrix that supports tissues and organs. Why is collagen important for health? Collagen plays a massive role in maintaining the structural integrity and function of various tissues in the body. Its importance includes skin health. Collagen provides skin with elasticity and strength, helping to prevent wrinkles and sagging. It also aids in wound healing. Joint and bone health. Collagen is a key component of cartilage, which cushions joints. It also contributes to bone density and strength. Good health. Collagen supports the gut lining, aiding in digestion and preventing leaky gut syndrome. Muscle mass. It helps with maintaining and growing muscle mass, especially as we age. Hair and nail strength. Collagen contributes to the strength and growth of hair and nails. What are the micronutrients involved in collagen production? Several micronutrients are essential for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C, crucial for hydroxylation of proline and lysine, stabilizing the collagen structure. Copper, necessary for the enzyme lysyl oxidase, which cross-links collagen fibers, increasing their strength. Zinc, involved in collagen synthesis and maintaining skin health. Silica, supports the formation of collagen and contributes to skin elasticity and bone strength. How to boost your own collagen production naturally. Boosting collagen production naturally involves incorporating specific dietary and lifestyle practices. Here are some effective strategies that you can follow. 1. Consume collagen-rich foods. Include bone broth, chicken skin, fish skin, and gelatin in your diet. 2. Eat vitamin C-rich foods. Citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, and leafy greens enhance collagen synthesis. 3. Incorporate antioxidants. Foods like berries, nuts, and green tea protect collagen from oxidative damage. 4. Stay hydrated. Adequate water intake is essential for maintaining skin hydration and collagen function. 5. Exercise regularly. Physical activity stimulates collagen production and improves skin elasticity. 6. Avoid excessive sun exposure. UV radiation can degrade collagen, so use protective clothing and some high-quality sunscreen when needed. How bone broth helps with collagen production. Bone broth is an excellent source of collagen. It is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, which releases collagen into the broth. Consuming bone broth provides the body with a rich supply of amino acids, including glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are directly used in collagen synthesis. Additionally, bone broth contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that support overall bone health. How to supplement collagen? Collagen supplements are a convenient way to boost collagen intake, especially if dietary sources are insufficient. They come in various forms, including powders, capsules, and liquids. The typical recommended dose ranges from 2.5 to 15 grams per day, depending on individual needs and the specific product. To maximize absorption and production, it's best to take collagen supplements with vitamin C-rich foods or beverages, as vitamin C enhances collagen synthesis. What are the types of collagen supplements? There are several types of collagen supplements, each targeting different needs. Hydrolyzed collagen. This type is broken down into smaller peptides, making it easier to absorb. It is the most common form found in powders and capsules. Undenatured collagen. This form is less processed and maintains its natural structure. It's often used for joint health. Gelatin. Derived from collagen, gelatin is used in cooking and as a supplement for skin and joint health. Always look for sugar-free. Marine collagen. Sourced from fish, it's an alternative for those who avoid bovine or porcine products. It is rich in type 1 collagen, beneficial for skin health. Are there any side effects to collagen supplements? Collagen supplements are generally considered safe for people. However, some may experience mild side effects such as digestive issues. Bloating, gas, or a feeling of fullness may occur, especially when first starting collagen supplements. Allergic reactions. Individuals allergic to the source of collagen, like fish or shellfish, should avoid certain supplements. Hypercalcemia. Some collagen supplements derived from marine sources might contain high levels of calcium, potentially leading to hypercalcemia if consumed in large amounts. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, collagen is an essential protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the structural integrity of our tissues. It is abundant in the skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones, providing strength, elasticity, and firmness. The primary components of collagen are amino acids, specifically glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which give collagen its unique strength and durability. The most common types of collagen are type 1, 2, and 3, each found in different tissues and serving specific functions. Collagen production in the body is a complex process that begins in the fibroblasts. The body uses amino acids from dietary proteins to build collagen molecules. Collagen is vital for maintaining skin health, providing elasticity and strength to prevent wrinkles and sagging. It supports joint and bone health by being a key component of cartilage and contributing to bone density and strength. Additionally, collagen plays a role in gut health, supporting the gut lining, and helps maintain and grow muscle mass, hair, and nail strength. Micronutrients essential for collagen synthesis include vitamin C, crucial for hydroxylation, copper, necessary for cross-linking collagen fibers, zinc, involved in collagen synthesis, and silica, supporting collagen formation and contributing to skin elasticity and bone strength. Boosting collagen production naturally can be achieved through dietary and lifestyle practices. Consuming collagen-rich foods like bone broth, chicken skin, fish skin, and gelatin is beneficial. Vitamin C-rich foods, such as citrus fruits, lemons, berries, bell peppers, and leafy greens enhance collagen synthesis. Incorporating antioxidants like whole lemons, berries, nuts, and green tea protects collagen from oxidative damage. Staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and avoiding excessive sun exposure are also crucial. Bone broth is particularly effective for collagen production. Made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, it releases collagen into the broth, providing the body with a rich supply of amino acids necessary for collagen synthesis. Additionally, bone broth contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that support overall bone health. Collagen supplements offer a convenient way to boost collagen intake. They come in various forms with typical doses ranging from 2.5 to 15 grams per day. To maximize absorption, we recommend taking collagen supplements with vitamin C-rich foods or beverages. Hydrolyzed collagen, the most common form, is broken down into smaller peptides for easier absorption. Undenatured collagen maintains its natural structure and is often used for joint health. Gelatin, derived from collagen, is used in cooking and as a supplement for skin and joint health. Marine collagen, sourced from fish, is rich in type 1 collagen, beneficial for skin health. While collagen supplements are generally safe, some individuals may experience mild side effects such as digestive issues or allergic reactions. Additionally, marine-sourced collagen supplements might contain high levels of calcium, potentially leading to hypercalcemia if consumed in large amounts. So, understanding collagen's role and how to boost its production naturally can significantly impact overall health and well-being, offering a natural and effective strategy for maintaining youthful skin, strong joints, and a healthy body. Integrating collagen-rich foods, key micronutrients, and proper supplementation can help support the body's collagen synthesis, overall health, and younger appearance. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.